captivity. Some of these barn owls can live up to like 70 years, 80 years.
Oh, wow.
Out in the wild, they seldom make it past 10 years. But since he doesn't have any natural predators here.
So how did you say this one was?
Well, it looks like, and I always forget which is horrible of me. But we've got Milo and Otis are the two little screech owls. And Milo we got in 1998, and Otis we got in 96, and he was a juvenile in 96. So. Uh-oh, do you see Kazoo? You see Kazoo? Who, Kazoo? Kazoo just has this little dance that he does. We don't really know. Like I said, I'm trying to research some bird behaviors and see if I can figure out what it is he's doing.
Reminds me of those things in that one movie.
Oh, Spirited Away. Yeah.
Or maybe it was the
Or
other movie.
Princess Mononoke.
Yeah.
Little spirited things in the woods.
I've seen both of those, and
Yeah.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah.
There was a gentleman in here earlier, and I don't know if anyone in here is going to know this movie, but there was a movie in, I believe it was the early 80s, Clash of the Titans.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And they had the little mechanical owl Bebo, and
Yeah.
there we go.
Oh.
All right. Okay, kiddo. Want to make the noise again for them? Or should I just get you away? Oh. Yeah, it's okay, baby.
Cute.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.